Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this might be the fastest tutorial of all time. I'm basically just going to show you guys how I do my foxy eye tutorial slash cat eye tutorial. So starting off with this Wet n Wild little palette, I'm just going to take that white bone shade, that transition shade, and place it all over my lid just to kind of set down the concealer that I had there. And then going in with the second transition shade in that little palette, I'm going to take an angled brush. This is an angled eyeliner brush from Sephora, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a wing with that shade. This tutorial is only going to require 2 shades, and it is the easiest tutorial of all time. Now, something very, 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 very important when you're doing this fox eye trend or cat eye trend, you always want to make sure that you drag your inner corner as close to your nose as possible. So you're going to go ahead and with that eyeshadow, just stamp it in, draw a little line kind of connecting your inner corner to your nose, and that's going to give it the full like cat eye effect. So now I'm taking this small fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and diffuse that first shade that we put down, just so it's not so harsh and so it makes everything blend a lot nicer. Now, taking the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the exact same step that I did with the first shade. I'm telling you guys, this is so freaking easy. Like, it is the easiest thing ever, and this is honestly like my go-to look. It's so simple, it just makes your eyes look so snatched, and I love it. So yeah, you're just gonna use that dark brown shade to deepen everything up and to smoke out your liner. So once you're done with that, you just make sure everything's even, and then I like to go ahead and take a concealer brush and just kind of clean up the edges just to make sure that everything's super nice and sharp. And that is basically the end of the tutorial, guys. Just go ahead and throw on some false lashes that are really, really wispy and winged out, and that is it. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.